at the back and see no water down to wet the filter. Okay, to redeem now is water. This is a air cooler. Okay, I switch on the power and the temperature is 31. So the fan is okay, and I open up and see there's water here, but there's no water water pump in working condition. I turn at the back and see to check the filter and see how is it. Okay, just open up the filter. There is no water dipping down to wet the filter. This water pump is not in working condition. So I plan to modify it myself. I use a fish tank water pump, okay, to replace this air cooler water pump. I just use very low watt, 6 watt only. Yeah, hopefully it can work. Very easy to fix. Just remove the old water pump and just plug in this pipe. Okay. Only thing is that extra power cable for this water pump. Okay, now I want to plug in the power and see. Okay, you can see now is water dripping down, and it can wet this filter. Confirm there's water dipping down and wet the filter. Now switch on the power. Right now the room temperature is 31 Celsius. Thirty-one, go down, go down, go down, go down, go down. 31, yes, 30, 30, 30, go down. Weather is too hot, go down. Yeah, 29, 29, 29, yes. Luckily, I'm not throw away this air cooler. By the time there's a water pump not in working condition. Yeah, and no water dipping.